Welcome to Homes and Land's Real Tips. We've all heard horror stories about kitchen renovations. Practically everyone who has tackled a remodel has lived to tell the tale of what not to do. So how can you approach a redesign without suffering from the same misdeeds as the people before you? In this episode, we'll look at 5 kitchen renovation don'ts. Don't let the details distract. Say you've fallen in love with a chandelier, or a cooktop, or a grout colour. Experts advise that instead of designing a new kitchen around tiny nuances, look instead at your life stage. Are you a young family, empty nest, single? Allow these stages to dictate whether you need a larger space for entertaining, more room for multiple chefs, places for kids to do homework, and more. Think big picture for the best results. Don't DIY till you die. Sure, you can attempt to rewire electricity or plumb water lines, but should you? Experts advise that you should choose DIY battles. Pick simple tasks like painting and sanding while letting licensed experts handle the rest. Don't go in blind. Browse magazines. Comparison shop till you drop. Get multiple estimates. Having broad knowledge will help you feel well prepared to tackle this major milestone. Don't think instant gratification. The average kitchen renovation should last 12 to 15 years, so instead of paying close attention to trends, consider how your redesign will feel long term. Don't assume bigger is better. A $5,000 stove and a $500 stove will both boil water, so browse user reviews and consider your needs before buying that industrial stove or high-end countertop. Put your dollars where they'll make you happiest. Thank you for watching Real Tips. Be sure to check out all of our helpful videos and articles. And stay tuned for more real estate news, information and advice.